You have to use the storage location.
Yeah.
I'll just give a simple difference between GR blocker stock and blocker stock.
Blocker. Okay. Oh, okay. That's the reason I was checking. MMB is not coming, and I was.
GR blocker stock and blocker stock. Okay. See, GR blocker stock is a functionality. Earlier it was only non-validated. Non-validated.
Okay.
Means 103 moment time. Now it has come as a validated. That is 107. 107 moment type. If you want to take to unrestricted, 109. For this, if you want to take to unrestricted, that is 105.
Not fine.
Okay. But why do you use this functionality? Non-validated, validated. What happened? Material you are receiving. When you are receiving the goods, on the bag you have seen some liquid contamination. You don't know whether it was spillage from the inside or else at a time 2-3 materials are loaded in the vehicle, and one material was some spillage. That spillage was poured on this bag. That we don't know. But once you receive it, you got a doubt whether you have to receive or not to your warehouse. That's why we will do 103. Then 103 will be GR blocked stock, which doesn't have accounting entries. You won't get any accounting entries. It's non-validated, and you won't get this stock in your any of your plan. If you plan any of your activities, it won't be visible. You will talk to vendor, and vendor will send a person. They will check, open the bag, everything is fine. Then you agreed with that, yeah, material is fine. That whatever that something liquid is from other material, nothing happened. You agreed. Then you will do 105. Then system will give a accounting entries: BSX debit, GRIR credit. Okay.
Okay.
103 plus 105 equals to 101.
Yes.
Yeah, same 107 plus 109 equals to 101. Yeah, I explained those things also, right? That's why whenever you do MIGO, we use this functionality called release. See, release GR blocker stock. When you do 105 or 107, you have to use release GR blocker stock, because already it is in GR blocker stock. You have to release to your warehouse. Okay. Okay, that is the purpose. Later on, certain industries and all, non-validated, sometimes vendor discussions are happening for 1 month, 20 days, sometimes long discussions, some ego issues. Okay, they are accepting, they are not accepting, material is lying like that. And maybe it is because of some purpose they want to show as validated. Okay, maybe some other reasons certain industries have requested, and all. Then SAP has released the new movement type called 107. Once you do 107, system will generate accounting entries. Okay, we can see any 107 one. Where is that? We received this one, right? Let me cancel this document because I don't want to create one more PO. Okay, now I will do goods receipt. Goods receipt with 107 I want to do. Okay. 107. 103 we know non-validated thing will come. Okay, give 107. Okay, first we will directly give MIGO. See, first I click enter, then I change it, right? That's the system is not allowing me. Now see 107 is there in the right hand side, it has copied here. Okay, see when you do 107, system is not asking any, even 103 also. It won't ask you storage location and all, because you are not keeping in your warehouse, right? This is not at your stock. Document is okay. Now you are posting. Now display document. Go to document info, FA documents. See, accounting document is generated. When you do 103, no accounting document. Here when you do 109, nothing, no accounting document, because already accounting document is generated, right? BSX and WRX. See, stock account debit, GRIR. Already account has come 107. When you want to release, what we do? Release GR blocked stock. You have to give material document is the only reference. What is the material document? It belongs to 107. Okay. Now, see, now system is asking for a storage location. Which storage location you want to keep the stock? Okay, the quality are understood that you can take a decision. Now post it. Now your stock will be visible and this all are done. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what is blocked stock? Blocked stock means generally when we do this blocked stock,
Okay.
we have some moment types. Let me open transfer posting.
Yeah, as we go and other
344. Transfer posting blocked stock to unrestricted stock reversal. Means unrestricted stock to blocked stock. 344. Okay.
343.
Yeah, 343 is for blocked stock to unrestricted stock. Okay, but now for is for 344.
344. Yeah.
Yeah, it is unrestricted stock to blocked 344. And also 350 transfer posting blocked stock to quality stock reversal. Means
Reversal.
quality to blocked 350. Quality to blocked 350. Just we remember these two. What is the blocked stock? When you receive the stock, you have received, and if you have a quality management, you have taken the stock to quality. Okay. After the stock has quality, they have verified all the quality parameters, but they found 2-3 parameters are failed. Okay. They will not release to unrestricted stock. They will release to blocked. That is 350. If you have a quality management, that 350 will happen in the background. As I told you, result recording, stock posting, they will do in the QA32 transaction code. At that point of time, system will take the stock to blocked stock. That is 350. This blocked stock only we will see in our MMBE. Even GR blocked stock also will be visible. When you go to MMBE of any material, just execute it. See, you will unrestricted stock, quality inspection stock, reserved. If you create any MB21 reservation, on order stock, maybe sales order or process or anything is there, and stock in transit. Here you can see GR blocked. Can you see the GR blocked stock?
Okay.
Yeah, here you can see the GR blocked stock. This is your blocked. Okay. Okay.
So GR is for a temporary block and this is block for quality.
Yeah, it's blocked for due to reasons, due to quality, damage, whatever it is.
Okay.
Okay, unrestricted to blocked stock, when do we use? For example, material is there and you felt like it is not good, then you can directly move to blocked. And when you have a quality management, generally this 344 won't be happening, because when you get a doubt of the material, when material is expired, you will send a sample to quality people will check and they will do some parameters. Yeah, you can use for 15 more days. Yeah, you can use for one more month.